Evans.
The EDOM Hill Cam this morning, TMO's live sky cam showcasing the start of our work week with a lot of sunshine, clear skies, and warm conditions. Our temperatures right now, as you're getting ready to head off wherever you might be going, we're pretty close to our morning lows, and we've dropped into the upper 80s at Thermal and Indio. We're in the upper 70s in Palm Desert and Cathedral City, still in the 80s in Palm Springs. Very warm this morning, just didn't cool off much overnight. Some of that was due to the winds. When the winds kick up a little bit, it tends to hold our temperatures up. With the atmosphere moving around, it's a little harder for things to cool off. So we've got winds of up around 10, 11 miles per hour moving from Desert Hot Springs. Lower wind speeds on the valley floor. Indio and Thermal still seeing a little breeziness despite the fact that the wind advisory expired at 6 o'clock. Very gusty in Whitewater, windy through the Banning Pass as you would expect, but things calming down here on the valley floor. Dew points predominantly in the 40s, and they're going to dry out this afternoon. One of the things that we were watching all week last week was the development of monsoonal flow. So far, it is pulling its way up into the Arizona area, but not for us. And it actually stretches all the way out to Vegas. But we're protected. We are still under a fairly dry air mass. The outlook for today has that high pulling up moisture to our east. So this is the area where you could see some scattered showers and thunderstorms, but obviously it doesn't even quite get to the Colorado River, which means that we should stay dry. That's good news because the dry air mass that's in place is important because we're going to be up around 110 to 112 today. That would be further complicated by the influx of moisture. FUTURECAST shows that that area of high pressure sticks around. It's not going to move much. It'll hover in the Four Corners states. So we're going to remain fairly dry, but the numbers start to come down a little bit. That area of low pressure slides in. So it's a weak trough. And so today and tomorrow we're going to be 110 or better. This afternoon actually doesn't look terrible, but it is going to be a little hotter than normal. Our Comfort Air 7-day forecast keeps the numbers up through tomorrow at 110. We're about average on Wednesday at 108 degrees. And look what happens as we head into the remainder of the week. Relatively mild numbers, 105 on Thursday and Friday, and near our seasonal average for the weekend. It is very hard to complain about these numbers here in the latter part of July. That is, as far as the desert goes, pretty comfortable stuff at 105. Angela.